Greetings from the veteran, and welcome back to Operation Lightning, a new YouTube war featuring Deco as all of the Axis and the Warden as the commentary. Videos will be in a playlist, of course, on my channel, and I'll be playing as all of the allies. Here we go, turn 1, July 36, Commonwealth. I'm so used to handing over there. Okay. We're going to start with our tech. Roll for brief construction and long range air. Hit on LRA. Miss with the construction. Alright. Not a bad start. 50-50. Okay. Purchases. Anzac is saving their 3, collecting 3, ending with 6. FEC is spending their 5, buying a militia and an infantry, or militia upgrade and an infantry, collecting 5. Great Britain has 11. They're spending 10, buying a minor factory and a militia upgrade, saving 1, collecting 12, ending with 13. Alright, non-combat. Let's see if we can get the first fleet going here. Bring our activity over 1, 2, 3. This transport stays here. Go board actually. Mountain in Scotland, rails to southern England. Infantry walks up. Bomber goes to southern England. Fighter to southern England. Air transport to southern England. Got a militia in Scotland. Bring our battleship down. Battle cruiser. Some heavy cruisers. Light cruiser, destroyer. CDS. Coastal. Let's destroyer come down. Alright, next we will set up the 4th Fleet in the Med and M8. We're going to add these units there. 1, 2. Anzac Navy goes to I4. 1, 2, 3. Destroyer. FEC. Maybe, sorry. Carrier 1, 2, 3, 4. Destroyer 1, 2, 3. Coastal 7 moves down 1. This transport goes 1, 2, 3. Goes abort. Mayor. Infantry rails to Calcutta. Gurkha walks to Bengal. This transport goes 1, 2, 3. Actually, let's try to move to South Africa. Infantry in Transjordan walks to Lower Egypt. Anzac Navy. 1, 2, 3. Transport and artillery. Go to South Australia. Okay, that's it for movements. We will place our ships at the 1st Fleet. Do our militia upgrade and factory placement. Factory goes in Lower Egypt. Militia upgrade happens in Ottawa. FBC's units. The militia upgrade goes into Ceylon. Place an infantry in Calcutta. Anzac save their money. On to France's turn. France will roll for heavy armor. That's a miss. For purchase, we'll just buy a militia upgrade. While I remember, I'm gonna roll recruitment for Abyssinia. Here. 9 is no. Our transport here grabs the infantry, goes 1, 2, 3. Grabs this French Somaliland. Um, hmm. 1, 2, 3. This navy. Bring this motorized to Aquitaine. Militia to Paris. Infantry to Alsace. Infantry to Paris. Artillery to Aquitaine. Infantry to Paris. Infantry to Alsace. Let's transport 1, 2, 3 to Syria. Our navy will move down to northern Algeria. Here. The sub goes 1, 2, 3. The sub will go 1, 2, 3. Sub will go 1, 2, 3. Actually, cruiser and destroyer. Come over here. Alright, I think that'll do it for all of our movements. We'll place where did we set? Oh, here we are. Here's our sub. Let's go with the shipyard in A22. And then militia upgrade. Go with Syria. Okay. So we spent 2. Go to 4. And we collect. Yeah, 7. 6 plus 1. Collect 7. Go to 11. And now we're actually going to also do KMT. They're going to buy 3 militia. Spend their 6, collect 6. Gonna move 4 infantry, non-king into Hunan. Actually, no, to Shantung. 2 infantry from Hunan into Szechuan. Okay. Place our militia, 1 into non-king, 1 into Hunan, 1 into Shantung. It's KMT. USA is spinning 6, collecting 6, and upgrading a medium factory to a major. And doing nothing else. Just upgrading in San Fran. And that'll do it for turn 1 with all of the allies. Pass back to Deco for Italy 1 and Germany turn 2. Goodbye.